Neither mud, slush, grass, or snow shall stop this sturdy bike from performing its appointed rounds. Check out the TAURUS 2x2 agricultural bike from the heart of Russia. This hardy two-wheel drive motorbike sports rugged 12-inch wide, 25-inch diameter wheels, designed to handle whatever ground it faces. Not only can the TAURUS go where other bikes fear to tread, it can go wherever you feel like treading. In just a few minutes, the TAURUS can be broken down and stored in the back of your SUV or station wagon for transporting to your favorite plot of muddy ground or snowy expanse. On purchase, the engine is not included, which isn't all bad considering you can drop in any engine you prefer, using anything from the recommended Honda GX210 to an ultralight chainsaw motor. The TAURUS overall weight only runs between 132 to 181 pounds. With no suspension, if the tires are kept at a low air pressure, this little swamp beast will ride smoothly enough that you won't need a massage afterward. Front and rear utility racks let you bring along your gear. Let's go mud riding! Even if he'd never done anything else, this completely insane stunt is all you need to see to understand where celebrated X Games medalist and multiple world record-holding motocross athlete Robbie "Matto" Madison gets his nickname. What's he doing for an encore? Nothing much. Just surfing his dirt bike on the open ocean, and probably before breakfast. Yes, this scene is absolutely real, not special effects or any advanced video editing trickery. Recently, Matto, his crew, and some folks from DC Shoes grabbed some cameras and headed to Tahiti to do a little surfing. On what appears to be a KTM two-stroke dirt bike outfitted with a rear paddle wheel and a couple of gliders, Matto took to the waves. After a few unsuccessful attempts, Matto rose to the occasion and conquered the ocean with style. This stupefying feat may be the most extreme thing Matto has ever done, though he's accomplished stunts like jumping to the top of a building and back down again, and leaping 300 feet over a canal. This ocean excursion was Matto's cherished dream. For a relaxing break, he also took a leisurely ride down the local waterways. What's next for Matto? We dare not guess. Meet the RYNO bike, an electric one-wheeled self-balancing marvel by creator Chris Hoffman. Hoffman got the idea from a sketch his daughter made of a vehicle she saw in a video game. Since it didn't actually exist, Hoffman, an accomplished engineer, decided to create one. After experimenting with a series of prototypes, the RYNO was finally born. At a top speed of 10 miles per hour, this small one-wheeled wonder is the perfect low-speed mobility solution. Because it's highly maneuverable, the RYNO is just right for meandering around the city. A fat motorcycle wheel adds stability and allows the motor, electronics, and batteries to be positioned within the wheel itself. An automatic balancing system makes the RYNO easy to ride. If you begin to lose control, it will temporarily take over and stabilize the bike. You can ride the RYNO either sitting or standing. When you come to a stop, the RYNO's height is just right for placing your feet on the ground. Because it's electric, this bike is ultra quiet. Hoffman believes that its small turning base, relative silence, and the rider's eye-to-eye position with pedestrians makes the RYNO the friendliest little bike on the planet. Get ready to be blown away by the incredible UNO transforming motorcycle. This mind-blowing creation can actually change its form while on the move. Massachusetts inventor Ben Gulak knew that to generate public interest in an electric motorcycle, it would have to be visually stunning. With the UNO's flashy style and impressive transforming ability, it definitely accomplishes just that. The UNO has two distinct configurations. When parked, it sits folded with a kickstand in a form similar to a unicycle. At slow speeds, it maintains the unicycle look, with gyroscopes employed for greater balance. As the rider increases speed, the front wheel extends, transforming the UNO into a traditional motorcycle. In addition to the two-wheeled UNO 1 and UNO 2 models, Gulak has developed the three-wheeled version, the UNO 3. When parked or at low speeds, two rear wheels sit side by side with the third wheel positioned slightly forward in the center. At 15 miles per hour, in about 1 second, the outer wheels move to the rear and squeeze together, while the middle wheel moves to the front. The UNO is an idea that just might get some traction, one way or the other. Is that a robot riding a motorcycle? Indeed it is. It's the Yamaha MOTOBOT robot bike, made for testing motorcycle design and performance. Though a work in progress,